Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you what you need to do if the corals doesn't spawn in the crystal depth in Fish It Game on Roblox crystal depth update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that we need corals to complete the coral quest. Wait, let me show you the coral quest. Here we need to collect 30 corals, and after we complete this quest we will get coral lantern as the reward. And if you want to get the corals or collect the corals, you need to dive right here using the advanced diving gear, and then the corals will spawn in this area guys. But sometimes it's not here, and if the corals are not here, maybe someone has already picked the corals, and what you need to do is waiting for the corals to spawn. I think it will spawn in every several minutes, maybe 10 minutes or more. You need to wait until the corals spawn again, or you can move to another server. Okay, you can keep searching here guys, but I can't find any corals right here. If you can't find, yeah, you just need to wait, or you can move to another server. Wait, let me activate my auto fishing guys, and then I'm going to leave this server. Yeah, you can just leave, and then you can move to another server. Okay guys, I've already moved, and this is the coral that we need to collect to complete the coral quest. Okay, you need to dive in and then you'll find this coral. Okay, and that's all what you need to do if the corals doesn't spawn in Fish 8 game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.